As you can see, our facility adheres to the highest standards. We ensure every product meets rigorous quality control before it leaves the line.
It begins here, in vast groves bathed in sunlight, where climate and soil combine to create the perfect sweetness.
Each fruit is monitored throughout its growth cycle to ensure optimal size and juice content.
Advanced irrigation systems deliver the exact amount of hydration needed, minimizing waste while maximizing yield.
Before harvest, we test the Brix levels. Only fruit with the perfect sugar-to-acid ratio makes the cut.
Soft catch frames ensure the fruit is handled delicately, preserving the integrity of the peel and pulp. The harvest is immediately transferred to transport vehicles, minimizing time in the field heat. Transport logistics are timed perfectly. The clock starts now to get this fruit to the factory within hours.
Here's the manifest for shipment 724.
All right, let's see. Logged and tracked, you're clear to head in.
Precision starts at the gate. We verify the exact tonnage of raw material entering the production line. Before unloading, automated probes take random samples for immediate laboratory analysis. Our lab technicians confirm the sugar-to-acid ratio meets our premium standards before the truck is allowed to unload. Approved loads are docked at the tipping station, where gravity does the work.
The fruit enters a water flume, which cushions the fall and begins the initial cleaning process.
Water transport is gentle and efficient, acting as a pre-soak to loosen field dust.
First, we remove organic debris. Twigs and leaves are separated and collected for composting.
A high-volume rinse removes the bulk of the soil collected from the groves.
A biodegradable, food-safe cleanser ensures every pore of the peel is sanitized.
Rotating brushes gently but thoroughly scrub the fruit surface, removing stubborn dirt and wax. A final high-pressure rinse leaves the fruit pristine and ready for inspection.
Optical sorters scan thousands of oranges per minute, analyzing color and internal density. Defective fruit is instantly rejected by precise air jets, ensuring only the best proceed.
Sizing is crucial. The fruit is sorted into specific diameters to fit the extraction cups perfectly.
Sorted by size, the oranges ascend to the heart of the factory, the extraction hall.
This is the extraction hall. These machines can process hundreds of fruit per minute simultaneously. Gravity feeds the fruit into the machine cups with perfect timing.
The extractor uses a unique cup system that separates the peel from the juice instantly. Pressure is applied, forcing the juice through a strainer tube, while the bitter peel remains outside. The peels are ejected instantly and sent for byproduct processing. Nothing is wasted. The fresh juice, rich with pulp and flavor, flows into the collection manifold.
Finishers remove seeds and excess pulp, customizing the texture to smooth or pulp-free specifications.
Centrifuges spin at high speeds to clarify the juice and remove heavy solids.
We remove trapped air immediately to prevent oxidation and protect vitamin C levels.
Flash pasteurization heats the juice for just seconds to ensure safety while locking in the fresh taste.
It is instantly chilled back down to preserve the flavor profile.
The juice is held in chilled, insulated tanks, ready for blending.
Every batch is tasted and tested one last time before it heads to the bottling line.
We manufacture our bottles on-site from raw preforms to ensure sterility. High-pressure air blows the heated preforms into their final bottle shape.
Air conveyors transport the empty bottles to the filling room without human contact. Inside the filling block, every bottle is rinsed and sterilized.
The rotary filler aligns perfectly with each bottle. Volumetric fillers dispense the exact amount of juice at incredible speeds. Caps are sorted and fed continuously to the capping turret. Caps are applied with precise torque to ensure a perfect seal. Automated sensors verify the fill level and cap integrity of every single bottle. Bottles pass through a cooling tunnel to bring the juice to storage temperature and wash the exterior. High-speed labelers apply the branding and nutritional information. Every bottle is laser-coated with production time and date for full traceability. The bottles accumulate on the flow table, preparing for final grouping. The line splits the bottles into precise formation for multi-packing. Shrink wrap is applied and heated to create a secure, portable pack. Robotic palletizers stack the cases with tireless precision.
The pallet is wrapped in film to secure the load for transport.
The finished pallets are immediately moved to our cold storage facility. Our distribution center holds thousands of gallons ready for global dispatch. Refrigerated trucks are loaded efficiently to maintain the cold chain.
From the tree to the shelf, the journey takes less than 48 hours.
Fresh, cold, and ready for you. Nature is best, deliverable to your table. Pure, premium orange juice. Scientific farming. Healthy juice starts with healthy soil. We monitor nutrient density constantly.
Months before harvest, the cycle begins with the fragrant citrus blossom.
The fruit matures slowly over seasons, developing its juice vesicles.
Natural rainfall supplements our irrigation, cleaning the trees.
Solar energy is converted into natural sugars within the fruit.
For our premium reserves, skilled pickers harvest by hand. Field bins are consolidated for transport. Speed is essential.
The entire process is monitored from our central command center.
We recycle 90% of the water used in transport and cleaning. Essential oils from the peel are recovered for use in flavorings and fragrances.
Even the pulp is processed to recover natural fruit sugars.
The remaining dry peel is converted into nutrient-rich livestock feed. Batches are blended to ensure a consistent taste profile year-round. For fortified varieties, vitamins are added with pharmaceutical precision. Between batches, automated CIP systems sterilize the entire line. Raw materials for packaging are handled automatically. Caps undergo UV sterilization immediately before application. Our lines run continuously, with materials replenished on the fly.
Imperfections are recycled immediately.
Cardboard trays are formed around the bottles.
Hot melt glue secures the package instantly.
Vision systems verify the legibility of every code. Finished goods ascend to the palletizing deck.
Pallets are dispensed automatically for loading.
The master label connects the pallet to our inventory system. Automated guided vehicles transport stock without human intervention.
The fleet manages its own power cycles.
Temperature is strictly maintained to preserve freshness. Trucks lock into sealed docks to prevent temperature loss. The bridge is set for rapid loading. Each trailer is loaded to maximum capacity. The load is sealed for security. Another shipment begins its journey. Our logistics network operates around the clock, arriving at regional hubs for local distribution. Cross-docking ensures fresh product moves to stores immediately.
The final leg of the journey, delivery to your local store.
Fresh stock arrives daily.
Staff prepare the product for display.
Stock is rotated to ensure you always get the freshest date.
I want that one.
Okay, we can get the orange juice today.
A trusted choice for families.
Freshness you can see.
The journey is almost complete.
Packed and ready for home. Stored cold until the moment of enjoyment. The perfect start to the day. Sealed for your safety.
pure 100% juice.
Taste the difference of quality.
Refreshed. Refreshed. Our bottles are 100% recyclable, completing the circle.
From our groves to your glass, this is the art of juice making.